Hello everyone, this is Anita White and we're so happy to be back with you today with Love Your Art. So glad that you are joining us. If you're a new subscriber, we welcome you and appreciate the fact that you are taking time to be a part of this amazing art journey with us. Today, as you can see, we are starting with a large canvas and we are going to do a Dutch pour today on this canvas using a base color, which we have here, the black, Artist Loft Floetrol black, and we have the Artist Loft Parchment. All paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and water added to get to the desired consistency. That includes the base. I'm often asked about that, and so I just want to say all paints, including the layering colors and the base, are mixed the same unless we specify otherwise. So onto this 12 by 36 inch canvas, I have done a quarter split so that we have a section here that is in parchment, the rest of it is in black. My intention is to draw a line here, which will allow me to have all my layering colors here and then fan them out this way and see what we get by way of a Dutch pour. This is going to be a little different from anything I've done before, so I'm excited to see what might happen. Hope you are too. Let's start by torching our air bubbles and looking for any debris that shouldn't be here, any uninvited guests, as we like to say. And we want to make sure we have coverage for every aspect of the canvas. We want to be certain that we don't have any low areas, and I do see one right here. So we're going to just take and put some paint in on that low area and smooth it out. We have to get started right away because this takes a while to put down, and once you put it down it starts to dry. So let's do what we can to get our layering colors laid down and then blow this out. Okay, we will torch where we have just added additional paint. And joining us today, we have Liquitex Bronze, Liquitex Basics Bronze. We have the Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, along with the Artist Loft Copper. We have the Amsterdam Deep Gold. We have Pearl Iridescent Fine by Golden, and we also have the Golden Iridescent Fine Deep Gold. I'm going to put those like here. We may add some of the Artist Loft, actually this is Blickrylic Titanium White, but those colors at least are where we're going to begin. And this is what we're doing. We're going to take our base color, layering colors, and lay them right on our base here, then out here. That would be the bronze. Fine gold. This is the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. Then we have our Artist Loft Copper. Ooh, a little bit too much there. Then we have Deep Gold by Amsterdam. and our Pearl Iridescent by Golden. Love, love, love what this color does. Leaves a beautiful shimmer and shine. And let's do just a little bit of the Lick Titanium White. Get it to open. And I'm going to wrap back around with some bronze, the first color we started with. Okay. We have a torch here that we're going to use to torch all the layering colors. And we're going to see if we can do a Dutch pour that takes us in this direction. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, excuse me. Wow, look at how amazing this is. Oh my heavens. That golden Quinacridone nickel azo gold really has developed some awesome cells in here. And throughout, you can see them here. Clusters. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Quite beautiful. It looks like we may have a little bit of an uninvited guest. Let's see for sure. While we are in the process of checking everything out, we definitely want to always look for uninvited guests. This looks like it could be one, and it is. Definitely want to take that out. Oh, but other than that, I don't know that I see anything that I'm concerned about. Pure beauty. I would like to have just a little bit more negative space here. So I think what I'm going to do is take this section and just take and add black there. Well, let's see. Do we need to do that? Maybe we don't. Let's see. We can come in here, here, just maybe a little bit. Just fiddle with it just a little bit. Come in here. Move that piece. Maybe some of this. This is just developing even as we speak. It's just becoming unbelievably amazing. We're going to add some black back to this for our base color here. Just to give some negative space there. We can straighten that up a little bit. All right, just a little bit there. Okay. And then we can take our little blowing tool, which we have here, a little hose that you can blow into, and just see if we can blow this out a little bit. Okay. Wow. Truly amazing. Truly amazing. I'm going to look and see if we can take a swipe tool around just to start to bring this to rest. I'm loving this white and the pearl. The golden iridescent pearl has a streak coming through with the white, as well as the Blick titanium white. And we're going to just take and wipe underneath before we bring you in for a close-up. This will be our first swipe. We'll come back in a few more minutes off camera and swipe again. You always want to keep that swipe going until the canvas appears to have come to rest with the paints that are on top. This is so, so pretty, and I am really thrilled that we came with the split base the way we did, and we got colors that are truly making a statement here, and we want to be certain that we can retain the design that we have. See, I can remove this. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up so you can see exactly what we have here by way of our design and how well these colors have really made a statement. I'm just really impressed with the color palette. I'm impressed with the way it has blended and cells. It has just truly come out so pretty, very pretty. All right, let's do that. Let's bring you in for a close-up on this 12 by 36 inch canvas. Hold on. And here we are, guys, the close-up of this 12 by 36 inch canvas. And we see beautiful lacing, and that iridescent pearl, as I share with you, is so beautiful. It does an amazing job, and I am thrilled to be able to see how well it is standing out in this piece. Gorgeous lacing, shimmer and shine with the bronze and the gold, and that white there, look how pretty that is, and the lacing. There's that shimmer and shine from the iridescent pearl by Golden. Amazing. Once again, that golden Quinacridone, nickel, azo gold is so pretty as well. Such a beautiful, I guess, collection of color here. Right here, just golden, iridescence, bronze, gold. Look at that, so beautiful. Again, here we have amazing cells and lacing throughout. The shimmer and shine is iridescent, and this is just going to look so spectacular when it is on, its finish coat is on with resin. The black with the golds, with the white, bronze, all these colors have made for some really, really spectacular cells. So pretty. Wow. I'm really, really pleased with this piece. I hope you like it as well. Again, it's a 12 by 36. And I definitely am going to have to do this split, quarter split, I'm calling it. Just a quarter of the canvas is basically covered in a contrasting color. And you can see how we have made it all come together so nicely down to the sides here. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. As always, we always appreciate you and your support. So stay with us each and every time. Hit that notification bell so you can know each and every time we have another video. I am going to try to get a video out every 3 to 4 days. So please be on the alert. I'm trying to get adjusted to a schedule that I can be more consistent and you can know exactly when to see me. Please be patient with me. Know that I appreciate your efforts to support me in every way you can. And I thank you so much as always for joining me. Until next time, keep loving your art and we'll see you all on our next video upload. Bye now.